Peep it. Hey guys, so I'm back with another tutorial, and I decided that voiceovers are kind of awkward, so I'm just gonna be speaking through this, and I'm playing music in the background, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Okay, let's get started. So this is gonna be kind of like a review on the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette that my friend Audrey got me for my birthday, so thank you, Audrey. But yeah, it looks like this. It's so pretty, and like, I don't know why, but I thought it was gonna be bigger. It's really gorgeous, and okay, anyways, yeah, this is the beautiful palette. I don't know why I'm talking like this. So yeah, this is the palette. Ready to layer textures. Deep matte, 3D metal, and pressed pearls. I don't know which is which, so yeah, this is not gonna be much of a review. More so a tutorial. First thing I'm going to do is use my Boing Benefit Concealer in number 1, and I'm just going to put this all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to be using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and yes, it's depotted. And I put the concealer everywhere, but this I'm just going to put more so on the eyelid. And then to set that, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Chip Palette and going in with the color Glazed, which is this creamy color up here. And I'm going to be using this fluffy brush from Sonia Kashuk. I'm going to use my finger to apply it as well because my eyelids tend to crease. So I'm going to be using only this palette for my eyes, but not all of the colors, like the challenge. You know, the challenge out there, you know? I don't know what I'm saying, sorry. I'm gonna start off by using Sandalwood, which is this light brown here, perfect for transition color, with another fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna put this in the crease. And here's a little tip. Whenever I'm putting transition color in the crease, I kind of like use my finger and dent it like that. So it goes just in the crease. Applying the color, and then I kind of blend it out. Oh, hey there. So there was some technical difficulties and we had to leave for a short while, but I look different now. I don't know, I just decided to be extra for like the rest of the video, but I went to the thrift store because it was 50% off, and since we're members of the Value Village discount thingy or whatever, the 50% off sale for President's Day came to today, which is Sunday. We're just gonna continue. Now we're gonna go in with henna, and I'm just gonna use the same brush for that. Put this more in the crease instead of bringing it up. Now I know what you're probably thinking. If you're gonna be using a fluffy brush but then just making it more defined like another brush, why not just use another brush? To that I say, you're right, but I'm lazy. Now I'm gonna go in with Man Eater, which is this really pretty matte red, using this brush. This brush, it's a flat brush. Me trying to be professional. So I'm just gonna put that just directly in the crease and then blending it up. Without you. Ow. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Black Truffle, and then I'm just gonna use this fat brush that's like 50 years old, and I'm just gonna spray with this spray so that the color is more pigmented. And I'm just going to put that at the bottom of the eye. Due to the fact that I'm very angry now, I'm actually beating my face. So, if there's bruises after this, you know why. And I'm just going to go back in with the red on top of that. You can also use your finger to make eyeshadows more pigmented, and it even says that on the back of the palette. And now I'm just bringing the red into the top of the creasy inner corners. Now, this might look a little dark right now, and if you're not into dark looks, don't worry because we're not done yet. But I do, and if I wanted like a dark look, I would probably just bring the black in deeper. I need a mirror to look at this up close. Good enough. We're gonna go in with the Tarte concealer and a little flat brush. And we're just gonna create a half cut crease. And I'm not really good at this, so don't follow my instructions. First off, ignore the dust in my mirror. Okay, so I just finished that. It looks kind of crappy, but whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with, it's either a 3D metal or a pressed pearl. So we're gonna go in with Fling. It looks like that. So pretty. Kind of based my look around this. So, Fling, you better feel special. I'm just gonna go in with this flat brush, and I'm just gonna, disgusting, I know, whatever. I'm just gonna place that eyeshadow on the brush and just kind of outline it. Ah! Oh my god! Huh, bruh! I'm really not up to play games. Okay, there you go. Okay, so a lot just happened, so my bun may be out of whack, but you're here for the eyes, not the hair, right? Maybe? No? Oh, the eyes and a mukbang. Why don't people do that? Like a mukbang makeup tutorial? Since we're here, I stole this from my brother, then I stole his fries as well, and his pizza is from last night. You know, I hate myself. Okay, so we're done with the eyes for the most part. Should I do liner? Leave in the comments below if you think I should do eyeliner. Never mind, because it kind of doesn't work since I'm here, you're there. You know what I mean. Anyways, I think I'll just do liner since like the eyeshadow already is black. Sugar, please don't bother me. I'm at work. How else do you think I can afford your food? Just kidding. I'm just gonna do a quick little wingy wing. My pizza's getting cold. This is gonna be hell to edit. If there's one thing I hate in the entire world is people who like cold pizza. I hate those kinds of people. Like, how dare you? The cheese is cold. The bread is probably gonna be stale. Ooh, no, sweetie. Don't even, like, that's disgusting. Yeah, I think we're good enough. Honestly, that's just what I've been saying this whole entire video. I swear I'm good at this, okay? This is the only thing I'm good at, so blending skills come through! Okay, I think the odds are dead. Now we're gonna go on to face. Gotta beat the face after beating my eyes. I would normally put on a primer, but since I'm gonna take this off immediately after filming, I'm just gonna put on some Aqua 4 because my skin has been going through a lot of pain. I wore this to school one day and my friend thought I was sweating a lot, so. Okay, we're past it. I'm gonna go in. Should I do full coverage? Now I'm gonna do dewy. So since we have this, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more around the rest of my face. Since I'm going for a dewy look, which is different for me because I have oily skin, but lately my skin has been really weird. Do this. Was I speaking for the last couple seconds? What is wrong with me? I'm gonna be using a Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. Just gonna apply that with my fingers because it leaves a more dewy finish, and if I apply it with anything else, it gets rid of the only coverage that it has, and this is very light coverage, so really tempted to eat my pizza, but I'm putting my hands on my face. I'm literally gonna get pizza grease on my face. Concealer. Boring under the eyes. And Tarte Shape Tape on the rest of my face. You don't want to let this set on your eye for too long because it dries very fast. So I'm just going to go in my spray. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm going to do a little bit of light contouring. Have you guys watched the new Netflix show, Everything Sucks? That show's amazing. I watched it all in one sitting, no joke. I love that show. I watched it with my cousin, and like, they literally, I'm so excited for season 2 because, come on. Okay. And I'm gonna go into powder using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder with this flat kabuki brush. Swirl it up. This is also like 3 years old. Oh. Okay, so for my brows, I use the e.l.f. brow thing in medium, and I use the wax for this, and then I use my e.l.f. Kneaded Nude palette, and I go in with this matte brown here. With the same white eyeshadow from the Too Faced White Chocolate palette. I'm gonna go in with my black with this small smudger brush. Under that, I'm gonna blend it kind of outwards with the red, this fluffy brush, but I'm gonna angle it. I didn't die. Oh my god. What should I put in the inner corner? Just gonna clean that smudger brush, and then I'm gonna go in with 24K. Now I'm gonna do more contour. Okay. So I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics 28 Natural Eyes. I use this one and that one. And I've been using a foundation brush to apply it. I don't know why. And I'm just gonna go back in with my foundation brush. I mean my powder, yeah. I'm just no. Oh my god. Literally, what is wrong with me? I was gonna say I'm not at my best right now. Don't know what's happening. And then I started singing. Okay. When you don't know the lyrics. Oh my lord, the world just hates me today. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. All Over Color Stick and Persimmon. Bro, this stuff is amazing. Like, it already makes my skin look dewy. Just like put it all over your cheeks, cheekbones, and like just gives this like glistening effect. I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. highlight and blush gems with this super cute little brush. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated in Luminoso. Oh yeah. No blush for me because my cheeks are always red. Now, mascara time. Now this is gonna be fun because I'm gonna try and put on some falsies. Oh god, I already regret that immediately after saying that. First, okay, we're not gonna do, I don't like to put mascara on before lashes. Well, for these lashes from Amazon, they're pretty dope. I'm gonna use my crusty dual lash glue. I don't really like it, it's really goopy. Yes! Like, look at that. Look how much extra this makes it look good. Got it.
If so, you're likely inundated with receipts, invoices, and other paper documents that take time away from growing your business. That's where Neat steps in. Neat is a cloud software app that enables you to email,
oh god,
scan, or
we can do just like a basic classic red. Well, I also have my like a deep red. Anyways, we're gonna do mascara now. Just gonna use my CoverGirl Full Lash Blue. And we are done. So, that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, if you guys want more makeup tutorials, link it down below, like what you guys want me to do. Comment it. I meant to comment it, not link it. But yeah, that's it for this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!